Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix Shein login error. So if you've been using Shein for a certain while in order to get inspiration of different fashion trends or to shop for yourself or for others, but now are facing some error when you're trying to log into your account, this is what you can do. So the best way you can always go about this is making sure that your app is updated. And if you want to check whether or not your app is updated, you can go to your App Store, and as you go to your App Store and land on the interface, you can see that on the bottom right corner there's a search icon. Go to the search icon and then on the search bar type in Shein. As you type in Shein, you'll be able to see an app like this. So currently here it says for me open because my app is updated, but if your app is not updated, instead of the open button you'll be able to see the update button. And that is exactly what you need to do. You have to update your app so that your app is not messing up with you and there's no error in logging in. Also, I'm going to show you another process. Another process can be by simply turning off your Wi-Fi for a certain while, because many times the connectivity of the Wi-Fi, the speed of the Wi-Fi also messes up with your logging in. So when you turn off the Wi-Fi for a certain while, or just close your router for a certain while and then turn it back again, you'll be able to see that potentially your login error might be fixed. What you can also do is you can go to your settings, and after you go to your settings, scroll downwards to general and then go to iPhone storage. As you go to iPhone storage, you'll also be able to see different forms of apps that are currently running on your device. So all you have to do is you'll have to go and search for Shein, and here I'm scrolling through. After you go and scroll through Shein, you have to do is offload the app. Now tap on offload app in order to confirm that you want to offload the app. It says here that offloading Shein will delete the app but keep its documents and data. So all of your documents and data will be correctly stored, but all it will do for a certain while is free up the space for you, and then you can again reinstall the app on your device. This might also help in fixing the login error, and if it doesn't still, what you can do is you can long press the home button, and then you'll see an option that says slide to power off. So you can turn off the device for a certain while and then turn it back again, and maybe your login error will be fixed. So these are some of the steps by means of which your Shein login error might get potentially fixed. If any of these steps work out for you, which I hope they do let us know in the comment section below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell notification so that you do not miss out on any of our future tutorial videos. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.